That's it. It's about to be waiting for. Excellent. This one was badly damaged of that original GSF Honda. It's a real big. You just, rather than changing this lever, I said I'd rather change the whole assembly, fitted and adjusted. These are for some pipes that go there. And it seems to be functioning well. See the brakes, the spring and all. And then you have the brake light switch. This is why the brake is so springy. You press it, then the spring pulls it back up. It operates, pulls. This is for the brake light switch. There is a switch here with the spring, the brake light, and the spring goes in there. This hook, and then it operates with the switch. As you press the brake, the contacts makes a electric connection, and then the brake lights gets on. The rear brake light. So this is good. We just clean it little with a brush, spirit or petrol, and then you spray some WD-40, and it's good to go. You see, even if you say people got habit is good as new, only 6 months, they start looking like second hand. So it's good investing in second hand, and then clean it a bit. Right there, old man. It's a nice receipt. Street, Chapelash, Wolverhampton, West Midlands, Whiskey Victor 3, 0, Quebec Tango. Quebec, why not Ontario? Why not Toronto? Why not Quality? Why Quebec? Whiskey Victor, whiskey obviously, Roger 10-4. It's not one of those whiskey scams. Western whiskey litter scams. Then you got posters all over. Have you been conned by whiskey scams? Idiots, these people. They don't want to learn to be a mechanic or to electrician, but they commit a crime and have a criminal record. Nicely packed. Grab. pin. Condition. CBF125 Honda. They're supposed to be good bikes. They never go wrong. This way the clutch, you operate the clutch. When you press the clutch lever on the handlebar, it just flip like that. Then this is supposed to be that pushes. You see, like this. Then the pivot goes there, and then when you pull it like that, that pushes the clutch plate center, vertical force, center of the clutch plates, and the thrust plates, that operates the clutch. So then you can change the gears. This bike doesn't have a kickstart because electrics are very reliable. This that's complete set. I have to change it. Many thanks for watching. This parcel I received today. I was waiting. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hold on. Open this. To throw this damaged part. I have to. Front right, then obviously front left. Go remove this bracket and get another one of these fittings so it can hold the oil lamp. There's also something wrong with the electrical of the lights not working. I have to check that out. And the indicators. A good new set of indicators, but just waiting for the brackets. See how it goes. Thank you. Indeed. Bye. Was bent brake lever. It's a matter of fixing another one. Structurally it's quite sound, but it's just the surface due to the age, but it's low mileage. As it's got few new parts, so as it is worth fixing this. It's a good project. Wheels are new, sprocket chain, front sprocket, rear sprocket, fitting another new exhaust on it also. Looks promising. Damn it. Sign of winter. This is where it's fitted brake. This is the brake lever. Now it's normal. Just needs to touch the spring brake light. Let's see. Like switch. And then I start the rear part. Start the rear caliper. Adjust it. For it to be good brakes, reliable mechanical brakes rather than hydraulics. Go there. That's it for now.